Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be taking off the TD05 and putting it down the bottom and getting the GT35 and putting it up the top. Stay tuned, guys. I am changing the compound turbo setup around back to how I originally had it. So the smaller turbo down the bottom and the GT35 up the top. Looking at maybe the rotated setup for the GT35. For the TD05, I'll be getting a part from here over and up to the TD05. So let's get these turbos off and I guess start mocking them up. Also, cheers to the weekend. So we're going to start with obviously the easiest one. Pretty much just have to cut two cable ties and the GT35 will come down. There we go. It's easy enough. We're going to have to rotate that again. Alright guys, the most annoying part of this is we're going to lose some coolant and some oil possibly. So probably first up I'll get rid of these vacuum lines and boost lines, oil feed, and then water. Water's going to be the most frustrating to redo for the GT35. It's mainly that bottom one down there somewhere. Alright, so we've got the oil feed off. We have the wastegate actuator line off. Next one, yes, we do water. So we are going to make a mess here. And then I guess it's time to start taking bolts off the exhaust housing for the turbo. Alright guys, I have all the bolts out. The only thing that is still connected is the oil drain. I can't remember if I clamped that in or it's just slid in there pretty good, but I'm going to try to get it off. So it was just like slid in there. So a bit of oil here. If you watched last episode, there is a gasket that was there and we had a major leak, so we'll get that sorted. So this will be the low mounted one now. So, I know that's like oily there, so let's have a look around. I'll get my light down here actually. I don't know where this oil is coming from because there's no sharp play. It doesn't look like it was coming from there. And it doesn't look like it was going around. Got oil and water there. I've just got oil and water everywhere on this engine. I really should be pulling this out. What's that? That's power steering there at the back, so need to sort that out. I don't know if I should just make an adapter for here, bring it up and rotate, or actually I need to put the original back on, or make a new one. Comment down below, guys, where do you think all that oil came from? The actual turbo looks quite dry. So it's just been like sitting on the gasket on the join. Alrighty boys, should I have it sitting up that high? And then what, I guess that's a 45? Looks about like a 45, doesn't it? Now prep wash coming through with the goods. And what I'll do right now is I'll rotate this housing. So let's say we're on a 45 down, so we're shooting through here. Okay guys, I think I have the placement for the turbo. Yeah, 45 degrees. I do have the 2.5 9-degree elbow, so we are shooting it through there. We've got some hoses down there we can move easily. So bring that through and out there. Summon to the stock intake, and have it open or get 3-inch, something like that. Boom. What power steering line, which I've moved before, so I can do that again. I just don't want to move this bad boy again. So, just need to take that off, move it down a bit, and should be good. So got the orientation sorted there. These 90 degrees, that'll fit on there and shoot down. Might be able to move. Oh no, I can't. I can do that. I can easily do that, guys. It's not that tight compared to what I've done, so boxes in the way. Right, yeah, guess we can have a little bit of angle. It's starting to go. Alrighty guys, so we've pretty much got the orientation set up for the GT35 up the top here. So a bit of an angle, 45 degrees, so we can get an intake through here. The charge pipe will be coming through here. It'll be a 2.5-inch pipe coming through and entering the inner guard. Front of the GT35, most likely into a box, where I have a filter in there, and I'll probably try to get some cold air from the front here, going through this section here, and into it. So what we're going to do now is just do a little rough mock-up of the orientation for the TD05 down in this bottom section here. Right guys, got some light down here, so this will be very, very similar to how the GT35 was, but not. So much oil. So we are going from here to here. Alright. Might put you on my head so I can use both hands, and hopefully I'm getting low enough that you can also see. Alright, So we have an internal gated GTO5. So obviously while it's out, I'm going to repair this up. Probably just weld that up a bit, clean it up, weld it up, make sure it's good. So this will be up nice and high. Yeah. Might take this water line off. Probably use both on this side. Makes sense, yeah. So I'll get that one off there, seal that up with this one here, and yeah. I'll probably change the oil drain to a 10AN, and we'll just run it straight across. So yeah, that'll start up nice and high this time. It's a bit hard during at night time. Don't have very good lighting. I'll get the Cobra. I'll put the Cobra on, because that means we'll have to space it back a bit so we can get the 2.5 up. Where did I put it? Over here. I'll clean that off before I stick it on. Boop. Wow, that shows how far it needs to be. Wow, that just changed everything. Might have to angle it right there. Yeah. It's really hard until you actually mock it up. I'm gonna probably get some zip ties. I'll do what I did last time. Try to get it right up in there. This obviously can rotate too, so all good. Alright guys, so I was playing around there for a while, and I need to rotate the turbo. So obviously I took this C-clip off, and I spent the last hour and a half trying to get it back on. So pretty angry, pissed off. It's 11:45 at night, and let's just stab my head in. I ended up taking the actuator off. So this can still rotate around. So we'll chuck that back on now. Oh. Well, that orientation did not work. The exhaust inlet was like facing back, so I guess I could get an external wastegate. Then I can just clock it however I want. Just throw some welds on this door so it doesn't leak, and I guess I could. I haven't got the wastegate though, so yeah. Well, there we have it guys. I'm gonna head off, clean myself up, and go to bed. It's past midnight. Got first intercooler pipe there. Got a bit of an angle on the turbo. I've got that Cobra up into the guard, and I've got enough room there to get a dump onto the GTO5 and down to the up pipe. We've got room here to shoot across. I've taken the internal wastegate off that, so we need a wastegate. I'll probably use big bertha up there. I've just got a 6-pound spring, and I've got some other springs around, so I'll and put it in a location that I can get to quite easy, and change the spring. So yeah. This I can cut down. I probably will, not in here, just to make it a bit better. So as you can see, it pushes out and then comes back in. So we'll work on that. But yeah, 2 inch to 2.5. So that's from my original. There's the bead there, as you can see. I'm going to drop that back a bit. Should make it nice. Man, it's a mess in here. Whew. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. It's what, 9 o'clock, 9:30. Mrs. is going away for the weekend, so she's about to head off. She's going to be looking after the boys, so not much is actually going to be getting done now. But we did get the TD5 mocked up there. That's going to rotate up a bit more. Rough mock-up of GT35 up the top. I'm just going to cut up the old flanges. So onto the GT35, wastegate for the TD05, because I've taken the internal wastegate off. I'm not sure if I'm just going to make up a bracket or weld the door shut. Smart thing would probably be to make a bracket, so we can go back to internal if we need to, but I don't think we'll need to. I'll use that for the back of the TD05. So yeah, bit of cutting. Got the saw over there, the metal saw, and we need to clean up in here. So I'm gonna leave this episode here, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next episode. Hopefully it is tomorrow, but most likely not, depending if I can get out here tonight or not. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.